Are you looking to provide more value to your school and business clients? Consider adding device insurance or extended service plans to your product or service lineup. In today's tech-driven world, protecting business-critical and essential education devices is more important than ever. Businesses rely on these tools to keep operations running smoothly, and schools rely on their technology program to keep students learning. Many schools and businesses struggle to afford repairs and replacements when mishaps happen. With protection, cost can be covered. By offering device protection, you can help your clients safeguard their investments against cracked screens, spills, liquid submersion, theft, mechanical failure, manufacturer defect, and more. It's a simple way to stand out from the competition by offering more client benefits. Enhance your brand reputation and build trust with clients with up-to-date device protection products. For every plan sold, you can earn revenue for your business. Here are a few marketing strategies we have. We can provide free print brochures for you to hand out to your clients. Shareable digital flyers you can place on your website, social media, or email newsletters. Products can be added to your online checkout process. We can host an opt-in buy portal for customers to buy protection straight from us. It can be customized with your name and logo. During your sales calls, customers can be informed of device coverage available. Whatever fits your business model. Marketing done at no cost to you. With Worth Up Group, your school and business customers have an array of benefits like comprehensive coverage, competitive rates, unlimited claims, $0 deductibles, easy online claims, dedicated customer service, and policies backed by a top-rated Fortune 1000 underwriter. By offering your customers options to protect their devices, you can earn a new stream of revenue for your business. Training and sales support can be provided, so your reps can answer customer questions. Plus, no liability to you. The customer manages the policy, files claims, and the contracts are between Worth App Group and the customer. Start earning with a trusted device coverage provider with over 50+ years of experience. Head on over to worthappgroup.com to get started on your partnership. We are looking to partner with reputable companies like yours and look forward to working with you.